simple, but the best part is the fact that you don't have to use any oil. So let me show you how this works. So that's going to be much more healthier not having oil. So I'm going to turn this back on. It takes about 3 minutes, so let me have it warm up, and then we will resume in a second. Here we go. And surprisingly, it actually makes quite a bit. The other thing that's great is that pops every kernel, so nothing is wasted. So I really enjoy this little machine, so hopefully you will too. Thanks for watching.